Okay, tiny deal. So this is the mini PC I sent you back for repairments because it was crashing and resetting all the time. Now I got it. I think you replaced it with another one because it looks better than mine, but it's still not working. See, I cannot connect to the internet. This is my home Wi-Fi address, my Wi-Fi network, and it keeps not obtaining IP address. Okay, when I first switched it on, it worked like 5 minutes, then it froze, and now it's this situation. Cannot get the IP address. I tried restoring it to factory defaults, but didn't help. So it was supposed to be fixed. I don't know how is it fixed. I tried everything and nothing. I restarted, turn it off, turn it on. Here. It cannot get an IP. See? It keeps dropping. I guess something's wrong with the Wi-Fi model. I don't know. Okay. I'm really upset with this.